If you have been looking for a way to build a sustainable business online to earn huge amount of money online, then this video is for you, because in today's video I'm going to be showing you in this video tutorial how to build a $12,500 online business with just a free app. The method that I'm going to be showing you today is totally free, and you can do this either you come from USA, from UK, India, Bangladesh, Spain, Nigeria. No matter where you come from, this method works worldwide. The first app we're going to need is YouTube, and the second app is a screen recorder. So make sure you watch this video to the end, because I'm going to be showing you exactly how you're going to set this up correctly. At the end of this video, I'm going to be revealing to you the tools that you will need to make your YouTube channel go viral and earn even more money with it. So make sure you watch this video to the end and follow the step-by-step method I'm going to be showing you in today's tutorial. If you're new here, my name is Tosin. I do create videos like this that show people how to make money online. So if you haven't, make sure you subscribe to this channel, turn on notification bell button, so each time when I create new videos like this, you'll be the first one to get notified. And also make sure you give this video a thumbs up. That really means so much to me, and I appreciate that. First, so let me show you people doing this already. You can see this channel, they have 1 minute videos, different type of 1 to 2 minutes maximum videos. They upload such videos to help people, and they don't even need too much views. Okay, like here they have 17 views, 29 views, 110 views. They don't need too much views, and they are making much money with this kind of method. Okay, they upload this one, I upload maybe like 2,000 video, and the other one has already this is the other one here, has already something like almost 700 videos. Okay, so to Social Blade, we go to Social Blade. We can see the first one, this how to digital, earns nothing less than 12,600 euros every month. Okay, and their estimated yearly earning is 151,000 euros. Okay, so this is how is it, guys. This is what I'm going to be showing you today. We can replicate exactly what these guys are doing and use it to earn money online. First, what you need to make this method works, it's I want to go to Google Play. Okay, because you're going to need a screen recorder from your phone. Okay, so you can download it on your iOS or on your Android smartphone. So after downloading it, you just need to go to Google Play Store, and you can download any screen recorder, because you see they have tons of screen recorder that you can download for your Android or for your iOS smartphone. So this is the first thing where you're going to need. Okay, and after that we now go to the first step. Okay, as you can see, this is the second YouTube channel, guys, that I want to show you. These guys upload with their smartphone 1 minute video. Even you see this one is a 11 seconds video. So such videos like that, and they are earning money with this method. Okay, like here you can see how to block someone on TikTok. Okay, this is the type of videos they are doing that most people are curious to know all these kind of things. Okay, so they are helping people to solve this kind of problem. Like if you want to know how to block someone on TikTok, so you want to watch this video. So this is how these guys are creating value to people, and it really makes sense. Okay, so you want to replicate, you can look here for inspiration. Okay, and you can even replicate the same method that they're doing. Okay, and also record your own. That will be the step number 1. Come here and look for inspirations, guys, for your videos. First of all, you need to create a YouTube channel, and to create a YouTube channel is very easy. You just need to have a Google email account, and that's all, and you can create a YouTube channel. And after that one, you want to come here and look for inspiration. That would be the step number 1. Look for inspiration videos that you can replicate and make your own videos, your own 1 minute video. And then The step number 2 is that you want to record the same video but with your own voice, okay? And after that, so we go to step number 3. Step number 3 is that we want to upload this video to our channel. To do that, you just want to go to upload videos. You click on this upload video here. So alright guys, we want to upload such videos to our YouTube channels, okay? After recording them, we want to give this video a title, okay? And after that, we want to try to use different type of keywords that are relevant to this video, okay, to what we want to show on this video. So we want to copy this and paste it also in the description, okay, and also type some type of keywords that fits to this video, okay, like how to use Apple Watch. And after doing that, you also want to copy the video title and also to insert it here. First of all, you want to make sure that we sign up for vidIQ, okay guys? So this is vidIQ, guys, okay? You want to make sure you sign up for vidIQ. To sign up for vidIQ, you just go to vidiq.com. You can also find it on Google search, okay, and sign up for vidIQ, and then you can use vidIQ. For example, when we want to download keywords from this video now, we just go down and look for the keywords that these guys are using, okay? So this is the keywords here. In one click, we can copy this keyword. So we can copy this keywords that these guys use in the video. So we can just go to tag it in our video tags here. All we just need is to paste it, and now we have all the keywords that these guys use in their video, okay, and we are ready to use this. All right guys, so this is how to upload a video to our YouTube channel. And after that one, of course, we're going to go through all the other sections, okay? So in the category section, we can insert something like how to and style. All right, so this is what we have to make sure we go through everything. Like the language is English, and after setting everything up, we can now go to next. Of course, we have to choose that this video is not for kids, and then we go to click on the next. So but before we upload this video, we want to make a thumbnail, okay, which is going to be looking like this, guys. To do that, that will be the step number 4. We need to create a thumbnail. So to do that, we need these tools here. So this is the app we're going to be using. This is Canva. It is free to use. You just need to go to Google and search for Canva, okay, and we can register. We sign up to Canva and we are ready to use Canva, okay? So to create our thumbnail, we want to go here, up here to the search bar, and write something like YouTube thumbnails. So it's going to bring all these different type of thumbnails that we can use, so we can just customize it to fit what we want to do, okay? I can just choose this one here. So to use Canva is very easy. We can just change all this here with the click of a button, okay? And this is what I'm going to be doing now in your front, okay? So we just click this and go to the search. We want to write, want to go to the search bar and find photos, okay? We can write something like iPhone. So I'm going to choose this one here, guys. So I want to just make it a little bit bolder, and we can just go to position here and click to back, okay guys. So it is at the back. We can just change the word here, how to unlock. So we delete this here. I don't think we need this. We can delete this small tab here, and after we just kind of separate it, okay, and this we want to change it to iPhone. So can just make adjustment and drag it up here and finish. We can just leave it like this, okay, and we have our thumbnail built in just a few seconds. How to unlock iPhone. After doing this, we can just go up here and click on download. So after downloading it, we just want to go here to upload thumbnails and click on it, and then you can upload this thumbnail to your video, okay? And after that one, you publish this video to your YouTube channel. So now we go to the step number 5. This is the tools you're going to be using to make your video go viral. You need this number 1 tools here, okay? You will find a link to this tool in this video description. That is the affiliate links. You will get a discount with these affiliate links in this video description to these tools, guys, so you can use it to promote your YouTube video and make it go more viral. And the second tool we're going to be using is this one here, guys, okay? I'll also leave a link to this tool in this video description, guys. This is what we want to use. This is what I also use to make my video go viral. This is what you want to use to make your video also go viral. And before you can get your channel be monetized, you need to have 1,000 subscribers and also 4,000 watch hour, guys, and then you can monetize your YouTube channel. So I hope you've got value on this video, and if so, give this video a thumbs up and do yourself a favor, subscribe to this channel and also turn on notification bell button, so each time when I create new videos like this, you will get notified, okay? So thank you for watching this video, guys. I will see you on the next one.